Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, your trusted source for the latest innovations and insights in modern agriculture. Today, we're diving into a topic that's reshaping the way farmers protect their crops and safeguard the environment: agrobiopesticides. If you're a farmer, agronomist, student, or simply interested in sustainable farming, this video is for you. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 10 things you should know about agrobiopesticides, what they are, how they work, and why they matter more than ever in today's agricultural landscape. Let's get started with number 1. What are agrobiopesticides? Agrobiopesticides are natural substances derived from living organisms such as plants, bacteria, fungi, or certain minerals. Unlike conventional chemical pesticides, biopesticides offer a more eco-friendly way to manage pests, diseases, and weeds. They can target specific pests without harming beneficial insects, animals, or humans, making them a game changer for sustainable agriculture. Number 2, the main types of agrobiopesticides. There are 3 primary categories: microbial pesticides, plant-incorporated protectants, and biochemical pesticides. Microbial pesticides contain microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, or viruses that control pests. Plant-incorporated protectants are genetically modified crops that produce pest-resistant substances. Biochemical pesticides include natural substances like pheromones or plant extracts that affect pest behavior or development. Moving on to number 3, how do agrobiopesticides work? Biopesticides control pests through a variety of mechanisms. Some attack pests directly, others disrupt their growth or reproductive cycles, and some repel or confuse them. For example, Bacillus thuringiensis, a well-known microbial biopesticide, produces proteins toxic to certain insect larvae but safe for humans and wildlife. This targeted action reduces the risk of resistance and minimizes harm to non-target species. Number 4, the benefits of using agrobiopesticides. Agrobiopesticides are biodegradable, leaving little to no harmful residue in the soil, water, or crops. They help preserve biodiversity by protecting pollinators and natural pest enemies. Furthermore, their use can improve soil health, lower chemical input costs, and even help farmers meet organic certification requirements. By integrating biopesticides, farmers can enhance the sustainability and profitability of their operations. Number 5, agrobiopesticides and integrated pest management, or IPM. Biopesticides are a key component of integrated pest management strategies. IPM combines biological, cultural, mechanical, and chemical tools to control pests in the most effective and environmentally sensitive way. Using biopesticides as part of IPM helps farmers reduce reliance on synthetic chemicals, manage resistance, and protect ecosystem health. At number 6, common myths and misconceptions about agrobiopesticides. Some believe biopesticides are less effective than chemical pesticides, but research shows that, when used correctly, they can offer comparable or even superior results. Others think biopesticides work slowly, but many act rapidly against target pests. The key is proper application and timing, along with understanding pest biology and environmental conditions. Number 7, challenges in adopting agrobiopesticides. Despite their benefits, biopesticides face hurdles, such as limited product availability, shorter shelf life, and the need for specific storage conditions. Farmers may also require training to use them effectively. Regulatory approval processes can be complex and time-consuming, especially for new products. However, ongoing research and government support are helping to overcome these challenges and expand the use of biopesticides worldwide. Number 8, success stories from around the world. Countries like India, Brazil, and the United States have embraced agrobiopesticides on a large scale. For instance, Indian farmers have used trichoderma fungi to control soil-borne diseases, reducing chemical fungicide use and increasing yields. In Brazil, microbial insecticides have been deployed to tackle pests in sugarcane and soybean fields. These real-world examples highlight the potential of biopesticides to transform agriculture and improve farmers' livelihoods. Number 9, the future of agrobiopesticides. With growing concerns over pesticide residues, environmental pollution, and pest resistance, the demand for biopesticides is on the rise. Advances in biotechnology, genomics, and microbial research are driving the development of next-generation biopesticides, more potent, stable, and easy to use. The global market for biopesticides is projected to grow rapidly in the coming years, creating new opportunities for innovation and sustainability in the agri-food sector. And finally, number 10, how to get started with agrobiopesticides on your farm. If you're interested in adopting biopesticides, start by assessing the pest challenges on your farm and consulting with local agricultural extension services or experts. Choose products registered for your crops and follow label instructions carefully. Combine biopesticides with other IPM practices such as crop rotation, resistant varieties, and habitat management. Keep detailed records of your applications and monitor pest populations to evaluate the effectiveness of your strategy. Remember, successful use of biopesticides requires knowledge, planning, and continuous learning. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips for maximizing the benefits of agrobiopesticides. Always store products in cool, dry conditions and use them before their expiration date. Apply biopesticides at the right time, preferably when pests are most vulnerable and environmental conditions are favorable. Avoid tank mixing with incompatible chemicals and ensure thorough coverage of plant surfaces. Engage with fellow farmers and join knowledge-sharing platforms to stay updated on the latest biopesticide innovations and best practices. In summary, agrobiopesticides represent a powerful tool for sustainable agriculture. They protect crops, reduce environmental impact, and support the health of soils and communities. By understanding what biopesticides are, how they work, and how to use them effectively, farmers can be part of the solution to the world's food and environmental challenges. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the top 10 things you should know about agrobiopesticides. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to SMART-AGRI Hub for more tips, trends, and technologies shaping the future of farming. Leave your questions or experiences with biopesticides in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep growing smart and sustainably.